Have you ever worried that your English sounds too direct, maybe even a little rude? The truth is, politeness in English is not just about words, it's about tone, phrases, and attitude. Today, I'll show you how to sound polite and confident in everyday English conversations. Welcome. Thanks for joining me here on Plain Simple English. Together, we make English easy, step by step, and real for everyday life. If you'd like more lessons like this, don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a like, and share it with friends. Your support helps us grow. Politeness makes people feel respected and comfortable. In English, polite language opens doors, builds friendships, and creates trust. It's not about being perfect. It's about showing kindness through your words. There are 4 magic words in English: please, thank you, sorry, excuse me. These words are small, but they change the whole feeling of a sentence. For example, give me water sounds rude. But could you give me some water, please? Sounds kind and polite. Instead of saying, open the window, try, could you open the window, please? Instead of I want coffee, say, I'd like a cup of coffee. These small changes make your English softer and more respectful. When someone helps you, always say, thank you. If you need extra kindness, say, thank you very much, or thanks a lot. When you make a mistake, say, I'm sorry. These phrases show respect and care for others. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Excuse me, could you help me? Sorry, I didn't hear that. Thank you for your time. Say these sentences out loud until they feel natural. Politeness is not only words. It's also your tone of voice and your smile. Speak calmly, not too fast, and keep your voice friendly. A polite tone makes even simple words sound respectful. Many learners forget to add please or thank you. Others use direct commands instead of polite requests. Remember, English speakers value soft, respectful language. So always add those magic words. Now know the long-term benefits. When you sound polite, people enjoy talking with you. You'll feel more confident in shops, at work, and with friends. Politeness makes your English not only correct, but also warm and human. So remember, politeness is power. Use please, thank you, sorry, excuse me. Make your requests softer, your tone kinder, and your English will shine. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Plain Simple English. Comment below, which polite phrase will you practice today? Together, we'll make English not just fluent, but friendly and respectful.